What up mga subscribers, no? So akin guys, meron tayong nakitang post, no? Ito kanina. Ito po yung post na uminit ang usapan. I think tingnan nyo na po guys para mas makita po natin. No? Okay, ayan guys, no? Yan, nakalagay dito. Umiinit ang usapan matapos may ugnay si SB19 Pablo sa pagkatalo ng isang K-pop member ng AHOF, no? I don't know kung paano pronounce niya, no? So is K-pop group yan guys, no? Yung AHOF sa international voting. Maraming fans ang nagulat at agad na nagpahayag ng kanilang opinion. May nagdiriwang, may nagtatanong at may hindi makapaniwala. Kapag nalaman mo ang buong detalye, maintindihan mo kung bakit biglang sumabog ang diskusyong ito, no? So ako guys, no, to be honest with you, no, hindi ako tataka kung nanalo talaga si Pinuno, kung nanalo si Pinuno, dahil deserve naman po talaga, no? So tingnan natin yung buong article, no? Tara. Okay, ito na tayo guys, no? Yan, SB19 Pablo allegedly defeats a K-pop idol in an international voting, a result that shook global fandoms, no? Okay, yan. According to voting summaries and fan compiled data circulating online, SB19's Pablo is believed to have surpassed a member of the K-pop group AHOFSA in a recent international popularity poll. While the organizers have yet to release detailed public breakdown, the report outcome alone was enough to trigger a digital storm on one that crossed borders, languages, and fandom cultures. Supporters celebrated what they viewed as a historic moment for P-pop. Skeptics questioned the process, others demanded transparency. Within hours, the result had transformed from a simple ranking into a global conversation about fan power, cultural shifts, and the changing balance of influence in the pop music industry. This article examines what the reported voting outcome suggests, how fans on both sides reacted, and why this moment has become far more significant than a single poll result. No? So, okay, tignan to guys, no? Isa-isahin natin yung mga per topic niyan. Yan, the voting result that sparked drinks that sparked a global debate. Reports indicate that Pablo ranked higher than a member of AHA of SA in the final tally of an international fan-driven vote. Yan. Screenshots and unofficial summaries rapidly circulated, showing numerical advantages that surprised many observers in an ecosystem where K-pop idols are often presumed untouchable in global polls. The alleged result immediately stood out. Entertainment analysts note that such reactions are not just about numbers, they reflect deeply ingrained assumptions about cultural dominance. No? So kasi alam natin guys, K-pop talaga pinagsimulan po talaga ng lahat po talaga guys. No? Kung paano uso yung ngayon, no? Yung trend ngayon. No? Pero syempre, I think nagulat din sila na may isang P-pop artist, to be exact, si Pablo, no? Syempre, a member of SB19, no? Na tumalo sa kanila, no? Pero ganun naman guys, hindi naman all the time, no? Na nasa iba, taas tayo, no? Minsan matatalo din tayo pag halimbawa nahanap mo yung katapat mo po talaga, no? Who is Pablo and why his name carries weight? Pablo is widely recognized as the creative backbone of SB19. Beyond his role as a performer, he is known for songwriting, compositions, conceptual direction, and uncommon combination even in competitive pop industries. Observers believe this multidimensional in the artistry is a key reason his appeal extends beyond national borders. Fans often describe him not merely as an idol but as an artist with a distinct voice and narrative. This reputation may explain why his name resonated strongly in international voting context, no? So yan kasi ng ating Pinuno guys, no? Kaya niyang gumawa ng kanta, kaya niya mag-produce, and siya talaga yung pinaka utak ng SB19. Although lahat sila nagbibigay ng idea, batuhan, pero si Pablo talaga, no? Bihira ka makita ng isang artist na siya yung gumagawa, hands-on siya sa kanyang mga kanta, no? 'Di ba? Bihirang-bihira. Isa doon si Pinuno, no? Okay? The K-pop idol and the expectations of dominance. The K-pop idol reportedly surpassed belongs to AOFC, a group with a substantial international following. Historically, idols from similar group dominate fan-driven polls due to well-established global fan bases and systematic voting strategies. This context is crucial. The surprise did not stem from the idol's lack of popularity, but from assumption that popularity alone guarantees victory. According to pop culture analysts, moments like this challenge long-held hierarchies within global fandom, no? So yun, parang tulad din ng kanina, no, mataas ang expectation nila since K-pop ang pinagsimulan ng lahat, no? Kaya nagulat sila na nanalo si Pablo, no? Understanding the international voting system, no? Yan, according to available descriptions, the voting system relied heavily on online participation rather than jury evaluation. Such system tend to favor fandoms that are highly organized, motivated, and digitally active. Experts caution that these votes do not necessarily measure talent or industry status, but rather engagement and mobilization. This distinction is often lost in online debates where results are treated as definitive rankings. So dito guys, debatable to guys, no? Debatable tong part na to, no? Kung paano yung wala tayong kasigurado kung paano gumana yung voting system nila, no? Maliban na kung meron talagang konkreto na magsasabi na 50-50 or 70 sa jury and then 30% sa fans, no? So hindi na alam, no? So ayoko muna pag-usapan tong part na to, I think, no? Okay, doon tayo sa how SB19 fandom mobilized. Servers point to SB19 fandom as a decisive factor known for discipline, coordination. Fans reportedly shared voting guides, reminders, and progress updates across multiple platforms. So meron siyang voting. Hindi lang natin sure kung paano yung hatian, like kung meron bang jury na, okay? Yan. This behavior aligns with broader trends in fandom culture, where organizations can rival traditional marketing strategies. Analysts suggest that such mobilization reflects not only enthusiasm but a sense of collective mission. For many supporters, the vote was symbolic, a chance to assert visibility on global stages. So, matik na yan, 18, no? Alam nyo na kung gaano ko kayo ka-powerful po talaga. As in, sobrang lakas talaga ng 18 na, okay? The immediate social media explosion. As the alleged results spread, social media platforms lit up. Supporters celebrate the outcome as a breakthrough moment for Filipino pop. Others reacted with disbelief, questioning how such a result was possible. Hashtags referencing both artists trended simultaneously, often accompanied by national flags, emotional declaration, and heated exchanges. In many cases, the debate transcended music, touching on identity representation. This intensity underscored how deeply fans invest in these moments, no? Yan, social media expansion nga guys, no? Dahil isa na rin yan guys, actually guys, for me napakalaking bagay din po talaga ng 18, no? So kung paano sumikat din ng SB19, no? Kasi hindi ka masisikat kung wala kang supporters, no? O sige, solid yung music mo, no? Pero kailangan, kumbaga parang Batman and Robin yan guys, no? Hindi yan mag-work or hindi yan magsasucceed kung wala yung mga si Robin, no? Like kunyari Batman is SB19 and then yung Robin is yung 18 po guys, no? So ano yan, kumbaga suportahan sila guys, no? Kaya solid ng 18 talaga, no? Yan, support skepticism and online confrontations. The reaction quickly polarized. Supporters framed the result as proof that P-pop has earned its place in global conversations. Skeptics raised questions about vote limits, verification, and transparency. Neither side showed much inclination to back down. According to media observers, this polarization reflects broader shift in fandom behavior from passive support to active contestation. Yan. So, okay, dito tayo sa next na. What this says about the rise of P-pop. Regardless of final verification, analysts agree on one point. P-pop is no longer peripheral. Groups like SB19 have cultivated audiences, international audiences capable of competing in global metrics. Pablo's reported performance in the vote has been interpreted as a signal that cultural influence is diversifying. The global pop landscape, once dominated by a few centers, is becoming more fragmented and more competitive. This shift has implications far beyond one artist, no? So guys, like nagkakaroon na po ng marka ang P-pop sa ating bansa, no? Dahil sa malaking tulong din po yan. I mean, nagkakaroon na siya ng marka sa international stage or international scene po talaga. Dahil yan po sa napakalaking ambag po talaga ng SB19, no? Kaya hindi na ako magtataka kung nanalo talaga si Pablo doon, guys, no? Okay. Transparency, trust, and future of fan voting. The controversy has reignited discussions about voting transparency as a fan-driven polls gain visibility. Demands for clearer methodologies and real-time reporting are increasing. Experts warn that without transparency, even legitimate results risk losing credibility. For organizers, maintaining trust may become as important as generating engagement. This case may serve as a cautionary example. No? So, wala tayo dyan, no? Kumbaga, hindi natin kasalanan yan, no? Kung may mga taong ganyan, no? Basta ang sa atin lang naman is fair lang naman tayo lumaban, no? Wala tayong ginawa kung ano man. Depende na lang po sa kanila kung paano nila i-absorb yan, no? Kung paano nila i-absorb yung kanilang hindi pagkapanalo po ng kanilang sinusuportahan. Why this moment may mark a cultural shift. Beyond fan wars, the reported result symbolizes something larger. The redistribution of cultural powers. Fans are no longer confined by geography, and influence is no longer monopolized by single industry. Now, whether celebrated or contested, the moment has already left its mark. It forced a conversation and in pop culture conversation, no? So kaya excited na po talaga, no? Like wala na yan, kunyari pag ang K-pop, ang pop music sa Korea, pag mga country music or mga halimbawa ganyan US, tapos pag mga kantang hindi ko alam, hindi ako magaling sa mga ganyan, no? Pero may specific location lang po yung mga style of music, no, or genre ng music, no? Pero ngayon guys, kahit saan na po, no, grabe na po yung talento ngayon ng mga tao po talaga, no? Hindi na po, sobrang flexible na po kahit anong bansa po talaga, no? Okay? Yan, conclusion. At present, the reported victory of SB19's Pablo over a K-pop idol in international voting remains a subject of debate. Sabi ko sa inyo kanina guys, no, hindi pa tayo pwede magbitaw ng kung ano man, no, like, kasi hindi na alam kung ano ba talaga yung pinaka nangyari, no. Ano yung paano yung sabi ko sa inyo, paano yung percentage, kung may jury man, paano yung hatian, yung fan voting, no, and kung ano yung mechanics, no, di ba? Hindi pa natin alam guys, so kaya hindi tayo pwede mag-conclude. Ang sa atin lang is yung opinion natin kung bakit karapat dapat si Pablo, no. What once seemed unthinkable is now being discussed openly for supporters. It was validation for skeptics, a challenge for the industry, a signal. In global pop culture, moments like this matter, not because of who won, but because of what they reveal about who is being heard, no? Okay. Okay guys, so yun lang naman, no. Ang sa atin lang naman guys is masuportahan natin yung ating pinuno, no. Syempre si pinuno guys, hindi hindi naman niya tayo pinahiya po talaga, no. Pag halimbawang may ginawa siyang project, pag may ginawa siyang kanta, promise quality po talaga, no? And syempre kasama niya palagi sa likod yung mga sumusuporta po sa kanila, no? So ang atin lang naman is yun, yung mga ganyang klaseng bagay is kailangan natin ibigay din yung suporta, na like pag ganyari sinabi nila yung mga gano'n, no, ipakita na natin through actions, no, diba? Hayaan na sila, wag na tayo mambash, wag natin ipakita na kasi inintay na iba, pag nagalit to, okay, siraan natin tong fandom na to, no, like pag may sinabi tayong negative na, diba? Pero syempre alam ko ang 18 na pang professional, action speaks louder than words po, no. So pakita na lang natin through actions, pakita natin yung power ng 18, no, and yung pakita natin kung gaano katindi ang suporta ng 18 sa SB19. At the same time, pakita natin gaano katalentado si Pinuno at syempre ang SB19. Okay guys, kung gusto niyo itong video to, no, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring that notification bell para alam niyo po bago kong release ng bagong video. So this is Point of It signing out. Peace. Let's check.